Now secondly, what we had to deal with is this corridor, which is 180 meters long. When we started drawing that we were quite scared how 180 meters will look like, because it's a large length. It could look very monotonous. We were not staggering it. It's absolutely like a clean, straight statement. Normally you would create a meandering corridor, which we didn't do here. So we had to create variation through light. You had to create variation through air movement, and probably through the spatial variation. So the moment you come here, this diagonal axis becomes very important. So this corner opens up, and it doesn't open as a clear vista. Again, there is a layering. You go there, you discover something, you go there, and finally you look at a water. This relation to water was very important for us. We didn't want to lose that context where you would see the lake when it is full. Whenever there is a water, you would see that. So that reference was important. This length is about 70 meters, 65 meters. When you start designing, you should remember these dimensions, because they become references for you whenever you design something later. Normally, most of our buildings, we always say that, oh, this is a 14-meter corridor, 14-meter courtyard, or this is 16-meter corridor. So there is always a reference to it. So if you see this is about 22 meters by 18 meters by 22 meters kind of space. So just imagine it to be about 20 meters by 20 meters, and this is what the space looks like. We again were very particular about creating these blank walls, and it is only to give the sense of grandeur. Other than creating that eastern and western side, you try to make it as blank as possible because of the radiation.